Hey, it's me Sahil and you're watching Sahil Gati YouTube channel. So today we have an update. We have an Hustlers University update. There were no updates in so many days, but one thing caught my attention. Yes, Hustlers University will be closed. Now I don't know when, 1 week from now, 2 week, 1 day from now, or 1 month from now, or 1 year from now. But he said it. But Andrew himself said it, that it will be closed. So which means no new members, only the old ones. Only the current students will have the access to it, which means I will have the access. So being inside now, I understand why they are closing it, because it's something that should not be open for all the people, man. It should be a private group. If you were also in there, you would also understand that why they are closing it. Now a lot of people are skeptical about it being a scam, but it's not a scam, man. $50 is nothing, bro. It's a dinner. What's the ROI of that dinner? What's the return of investment on that dinner? While on HU you get receipts on receipts. There is guarantee of return of investment here. Some of you have messaged me on Instagram regarding the Indian card problem. So if you are someone who is going through that problem also, you can also message me on Instagram. I will surely help you out. Now this is the time you join. Make sure to use my link. It will be linked in the description. So this was it for today's video. I hope you liked this video. Like the video for the algorithm. Subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. I'll keep updating y'all. That's it for today's video. Peace out.